Dang, you're right. A pink cooler would be fire. You can finally get that little mini fridge that's got the glass door and the blue light inside. I love this mini fridge because it doesn't take up a lot of counter space. It's only like 11 by 16 by 15. Even though it's so compact, I can fit so much stuff in here. I can put 4 water bottles. I got 10 of these 15-ounce cans. You can adjust this from 40 degrees all the way up to 65 degrees, and whatever temperature you set, that's where it stays. Look how cold. Of course, you got that awesome blue light. Oh, it looks so good. I love having that glass door so you can see in from the outside. This is one of the coolest little mini fridges I've ever owned. They have a few different designs to choose from, but if you want to get this particular one, you got to click the orange link down below, swipe all the way to the right. It's the last one in the listing. Right now, they're running a great sale on this fridge, so if you want to grab it, they always sell out very fast and they rarely restock. I went ahead and tagged it right there in the orange shopping cart below, so you can.